Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to upload your documents while filling admission form of Vijay Kedkar College. First log in and then go to the Uploads tab. While uploading the photo, consider the constraints which are given over here in red color. And also note that do not use any special character or space in any of the file name. If you want to upload your photo, check on the first checkbox, then check on the Upload Student Photo checkbox. Choose that particular file from your PC. As you can see, the constraints over here are as follows. That your maximum size of the photo is 50 KB. It should be 50 KB, not more than that. And for the junior college, it is only 20 KB. And the pixels mentioned over here is 200 by 200. The height and width is 200 by 200. So you will have to resize the photo in that manner. When you will hover your mouse on the photo, you will see the file type, that is the JPG file. As you can see over here, this photo is of JPG format. The dimensions, that is the pixels, are 200 into 200 and the size is 9.69 KB. So this photo is eligible in this category and it will get uploaded successfully. Once you have chosen it, click on this Upload Photo button. If these conditions are not satisfied, then you will encounter an error for uploading photo. I will show you how to resize the photo through one of the way. There are many other tools or applications also available for it, but I will be showing it through a standard software, Paint, which is easily available software in Windows PC. So open the File Explorer. Suppose I want to upload this photo. As you can see, its dimensions are 384 into 400 pixels, which are exceeding from the dimensions given over there. And the size is also 20.5 pixels. So to resize it, just right click on it and open it with Paint. Open with Paint. You can see the resize option available over here. You can press Ctrl W or you can directly click on this button over here. A pop-up will be shown. Select pixels in it and resize it to 200 into 200. So 200 into 200 is the maximum one. Anything less than that will also be okay. Once you have done that, click on the OK button and save your file. Now your photo is resized. Try uploading that photo. Choose that file. Now you can see the size has decreased by 10 KB. It is now 10.8 KB. And the dimensions are also 192 into 200. Choose that photo and upload it. If your photo is uploaded successfully, then you will see your photo over here Also, you will see one green color message over here as photo uploaded. In the same way, you can do for the signature as well. Check on the checkbox, choose the signature file which you want to upload and upload it. Next is the mark sheets one. So for the mark sheet, the constraints given over here that are that the file should be a single PDF file of all the mark sheets, with each mark sheet on a separate page. So I will show you how to create the PDF file as well. So just open a blank Word document. As you can see, I have 3 images of mark sheet over here with me. Likewise, you can add as many as you want, like the HSC mark sheet, your 10th, 12th, your first semester, second semester. Likewise, you can take the photo of all your mark sheets, right click, select them, right click, copy them. Once you have copied them, open the blank Word document, right click, and paste all of them. As you can see, my each mark sheet is on a separate page. Once it is done, click on the file button and print button. You will see the standard extension of Microsoft Print to PDF. This is a standard extension which is available in most of the PCs. So select that from the printers menu over here and then click on the print option. Name your file. For example, I am naming it as mark sheets and then save it. Once you will go on that particular location, you will find a PDF file. Double click on it to view it. So this is the PDF file which we have created just now with each mark sheet on a separate page. Go to your browser, check the upload mark sheet checkbox, choose the file which we have created just now, the mark sheets one, and open it and upload the same. The mark sheet uploaded message will be given over here. Likewise, you can upload other documents as well, like your leaving certificate, your caste certificate, if you fall under a certain caste category, your social reservation certificate, and so on. Thank you for watching our video. Hope this will be helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, or if you want us to make video regarding any topic, then please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you once again.